Hey guys, long time no see. Felix here. So multi-agent architecture has been around in the bubble for some times now, and recently has been quite trendy. Therefore, I would like to show you a ways of achieving multi-agent architecture within the integrated development environment, and Kiro is what I'm using. So I'll be showing you within Kiros. All right. So this video will be me showing you my actual process of breaking down a specific task into individual smaller tasks by using a task orchestrator skills that I created. I'm going to show you a complete process on how I break down the task and how I utilize the orchestrator skills to solve really complicated problems. All right, so without further ado, let's dive in. So this document here is the problems that I'm trying to solve. You could think of it like a blueprint before you constructing the building. It's highly detailed. It has been going between different agents, different websites, Codex, Gemini's, whatever you could think of to do my research and then bounce all those knowledge between each agent, with me being in the loop trying to understand and consume the knowledge myself. So this step are extremely important because by actually diving deep into the issues, you can then spot out noise within the blueprint. If you don't be in the loop while solving a particular issue or solving a particular problems, you won't be able to spot out noises. And if you don't spot out noises, what will happen? Trash in and trash out. Whatever you prompt into your system, it will become a trash. Therefore, it is extremely important for you to actually dive deep into the loop and understanding the concept. Of course, like there's helps of AI. All you have to do is you briefly look through it and then you bounce this off to your agent, discuss with your agents, trying to understand what will happen if this being developed. So now let me dive into actually use the skills. So this skills, the task orchestrator, it has already chunked in my blueprints into the files here. What happens now are pretty straightforward. I would just ask Kiro to evoke, start this. So after I'm doing this, hopefully the agents will executing the blueprints. Okay, it started to read all those files. And then it says it created this progress files here. Pending, 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 pending. Start. All right. So while it is working on the task, let me show you how the agent chunked all the blueprints into subtask. And as you can see, I said invoke task orchestrator. This is the blueprint, which is this one here. Please help me chunk it into pieces. This is the prompt. Because I have already created this highly detailed blueprints for the agents to solving a particular issues, right? And then sure, the skills has been activated, started to invoke sub-agents to gather context. After all those process, it was able to create different task file from the actual main blueprint. And then this is all we need. After Kiro has chunked all those main tasks into different subtasks, this chat window is finished. I no longer wanted to do anything else within this chat window because the conversation is now at 45% context usage. So what do? I turn this off and start a new chat, which is this one here. A completely new chat with a new context window, which allows me to ask the agent to achieve more within the same chat window. I'm going to leave this run for a while. This is the actual automated task that I have already designed and developed. So the agent will just run in the backgrounds until it finish all those tasks. within the IDE. Okay, while the agent is solving all those tasks, I might as well dive deep into showing you how the skills was created and give you a little background on how I created the skills. So as you can see, the skill contains 200 something lines, right? Don't create the skills in one go. Never ever create the skills in one go. Always iterate. Treat the skills documents like a living document, okay? Always iterate with your agents. If something went wrong, if you thought of something new, ask the agent to update your skill document. These skill documents are a general task orchestrator skills, meaning it can be used for different purpose for different tasks, as long as you have your highly detailed blueprint, or as long as you fully understand the issues that you are trying to solve. Alright guys, so this is my actual workflows on how I use the task orchestrator skills to break down a complicated task, and it is my actual workflows on debugging within the software that I'm developing. Hope you find this video useful, and I hope my sharing is valuable to the community. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you learned something new, please let me know. If you think this video is interesting, also comment below. If you have anything you wanted to share with me or teach me, please also let me know. I will be eager to learn more as always. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye.